Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account linked to your Xbox profile. This ties the key to your gamer tag. Once signed in, open the Redeem section in the Microsoft Store or browser. You'll need the 25-character code ready, type, or paste it carefully because a single character error rejects the code. After pasting, make sure the account shown is correct. If it isn't, sign out and switch accounts before you proceed. Now enter the code in the Redeem field. Watch for O versus 0, B versus 8, and use copy-paste when possible to avoid typos. After the system validates the code, it will show what you're redeeming, Xbox Live, subscriptions, or store credit, so confirm that selection. If the item requires payment info for taxes or balance, follow the prompts. Finally, click Redeem or Confirm. The service will attach the entitlement immediately to your Microsoft account. Once redeemed, open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. You should see the subscription or credit applied. If it doesn't appear right away, sign out and back in or restart the app. This forces account sync. If the code is rejected, check for common problems, already used, region mismatch, or a mistyped character. Make sure the code matches the account region. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support and provide proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.